Don't fall through the floor. Well, we couldn't use that staircase.
Why?
It ends halfway down.
Oh.
Some of these are sideways. I can smell mold or something in here.
It's probably asbestos.
Be really quick going up. Yeah, go, go, go. Oh, there's people. There's people. There's people. There's people.
Where?
On ATVs and shit.
Should I go in?
Yeah, get in, get in, get in.
That's what it is.
They're right there, they're right there. Alright, go, 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 go. Jesus Christ, you have to open the door. Go up. There's a what? Yeah, we're not taking the sketchy ass ladder. Oh, there's 4 of them, Jesus.
What?
There's 4 people there now. Oh, he's coming, he's coming, he's coming, he's coming. It's so fucked. I think there's one guy like right here. I can hear color. Oh yeah, this one's way cooler.
Old ass chemistry. We're gonna get like no matter.
I know. I know. Should have brought a better flashlight.
I should have brought the one in my car. I didn't think it would be dark in here. Careful.
Yeah, I know. Unless they don't use the elevator. Yeah.
No.
Oh,
What?
the elevator.
Oh. There's the door. It used to probably be actually here. Because it's got a knob on it. The knob's the other one is sitting over there.
Damn.
It's like an example thing. That probably was on the wall
Oh,
or something.
emergency response guidebook.
Oh, from 1990. That's pretty cool. This is an investigation. There's no answers though. Hello? Oh.
Yeah, maybe shouldn't go down
There's a
there.
door here.
There was an elevator there. Oh, well, this one's just.
I mean, it was like the bathroom or whatever.
There's a ladder.
That's the back of the elevator shaft.
Yeah.
This.
This one's kind of cool.
The offices.
Yeah.
There's papers in here. There's papers
Here's some.
all over the floor.
Oh, there's a ton.
Oh yeah, read a paper. Dear sir, please accept this as my resignation from the
1957.
trainman. Identification number 16542. Social security number. That's
They just
some dude's-
left that here?
Yes, that's just some dude's social security number. Yo,
Where does this go?
Bitch, yo, fuck. I don't even know what that says.
Oh,
What? Oh.
that's nice.
Yeah, don't go near that. Don't walk out here. Could we go up another level?
No.
Oh, that's the end.
Well, yeah. You can go to the roof, but don't.